Now welcome to my next session on heart. So today we will discuss about the important questions regarding NEET exam on your circulatory system, that is heart. So let us discuss different type of questions which are very important for your NEET preparation. Okay. So first question is that which of the following chamber of heart has thickest uh, uh, thick muscular wall. Okay. This is our heart. It has been divided into four chamber: right auricle or atrium, left auricle or atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle. So basically, our left ventricle pumps the blood to the aorta. So naturally, it requires more force. For that, to sustain that force to this wall of this artery, that means wall of this left ventricle should be thick. Okay, it's thickened. So your answer is left ventricle. Left ventricle is the right answer, which has thickened muscular wall because it pumps the heart to aorta. So maximum force is required. For that, the wall of this left ventricle should be thickened as compared to right atrium, left atrium, and right ventricle. Okay, so this is the answer. Second question is why heart pumps more forcefully in older person than younger one? Because in older persons the artery becomes elasticity of the artery becomes less, or it loses the elasticity of the artery, so it requires more force to pump and as compared to younger one, because younger one heart artery elasticity is perfect, but when human being grows, age becomes older, the elasticity of the artery becomes less. So that's why the answer is the elasticity decreases. The elasticity of artery decreases in older person as compared to younger person. Next question is pacemaker is situated in which place in dash of our heart? As I have told, the pacemaker is a sinoatrial node. It is present in the wall of right atrium. So answer is wall of right atrium. So the answer is right atrium. The natural pacemaker, that is sinoatrial node, is our natural pacemaker. It is situated in the right atrium. This particular question is very important questions for your NEET preparation. Next, come to discuss another question on this question number 4. 4. Blood enters into the heart. When the blood enters into the heart, uh, what happens to atrium and ventricle? Okay. When blood enter into the heart. Okay. So first option is atrium. When atrium contracts. When atrium relax. When ventricle relax. When ventricle contracts. As I have already told that the heart initially takes blood by right atrium. By right atrium. But we have to know about at that part, that condition, the right atrium relax or contrast. The answer is when right atrium relax, the blood enter into the heart. The answer option is B. A, atrium contracts, atrium relax, ventricle relax, ventricle contrast. So your correct answer is B. Next question is right atrium receives blood from aorta, pulmonary veins, inferior and superior vena cava, inferior and superior vena cava, and inferior vena cava. Okay, so as in the last class, I have told that the vena cava is connected to the heart, right side. That means to right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, the right atrium collects the blood from both the sides. That means superior vena cava, upper part of the body, and inferior vena cava, which receives deoxygenated blood from lower part of our body. So answer is C here. Okay. The right atrium receives blood from inferior and superior vena cava both, from the upper part of the body and from the lower part of the body. Last question number 6 is all the veins carries deoxygenated blood. All the veins carries deoxygenated means poor content of oxygen blood except pulmonary vein, hepatic vein, pulmonary portal vein, and renal vein. The answer is pulmonary vein. This is only one vein which contain deoxygenated blood, and other veins are contain oxygenated blood because the vein carries oxygenated blood from heart to every part of the body. Except this pulmonary vein, it only carries the deoxygenated blood. Okay, so you need to understand. You need to know what is the correct answer. Now let us discuss another questions. Now, the question number 7 is in veins, valves are present. As I have already told, valves are also there inside our heart. And vein is also having valve to check the reverse flow of blood. Because blood flow should be unidirectional. There should be no reverse flow of blood inside the vein also. So, that blood flowing inside the vein, whether the pressure of the blood is equal to atmospheric pressure or it is more than atmospheric pressure, that is high pressure, or low pressure, or all of the above. Obviously all of above is not possible. We have to choose the right answer. So here the blood flow inside the veins is flowing with a low pressure. The correct answer is low pressure. Okay, next question is rate of heartbeat. The rate of heartbeat is determined by which fiber? First is Purkinje fiber, papillary muscles, and atrioventricular node, and sinoatrial node. So heartbeat I have already discussed in the last class. It started from SA node to AB node. The right answer is SA node because this SA node is known as a pacemaker, natural pacemaker, and it is situated in the right side of the right wall of the atrium, right atrium. Okay, so the correct answer is sinoatrial node. Um, this node is responsible to create heart rate or heartbeat. Okay. So this node is because the signal start from this node. Okay. This is the right answer. Now this is a very interesting question, and you need to remember these questions because it creates confusion. Okay. So most of the students they confused in this question. Now see, you have to match the column. You need to understand what is heart failure, what is cardiac arrest, what is heart attack, what is coronary artery disease and angina spectrosis. You know, these are the heart condition disease. Okay, so you need to remember. So first is heart failure. Heart failure is nothing but the this is the condition where heart doesn't pump blood effectively. Heart fail to pump the blood effectively, not effectively. Okay. So heart failure is the that means some defect in pumping mechanism. Second one is what do you mean by cardiac arrest? Cardiac arrest when heartbeat stops, beating of the heart stop. That will be no pulse. Okay. So answer is uh, B is the cardiac arrest is the condition where heart stop beating. Okay. Second one is heart attack. Heart attack, most of the doctors saying that heart attack, cardiac arrest, heart failure. So you need to understand what is the actual meaning of this. So here heart attack is that means when suddenly heart muscles they damaged. The damaged due to inadequate blood supply to the heart muscles. So heart attack is the heart muscle where heart muscles is suddenly damaged by inadequate blood supply. Okay. Next is coronary artery disease. This coronary artery disease, this is that means the chest pain. Okay, this is known as atherosclerosis. This is a disease. Okay, the coronary artery disease is the answer is this atherosclerosis. This is the heart disease. Okay, these are all heart failure or heart defect conditions. Next is angiopectosis. Angina is basically when the chest pain due to inadequate supply of oxygen. Okay, it is a pain in chest due to inadequate supply of oxygen. Though angiopectosis is related to inadequate blood supply, and that means inadequate oxygen supply to the heart. Okay, this is inadequate chest pain due to inadequate oxygen supply to the heart. Now you see how confusion are all these conditions. Our heart failure, it is when the heart doesn't pump effectively. Okay, cardiac arrest is when heartbeat stop. Then heart attack when heart muscle damage. Okay, then this coronary artery disease it is nothing but atherosclerosis. Next, come to angina. Sometimes instead of angiospertosis, it is called angina. So you need to understand when heart muscles does not get enough oxygen, that condition chest start pain. We feel pain in our chest. That is known as angiospertosis. Now, question number 10 is similarly as question number 9. We have to match the column 1 and 2. Mitral valve. Okay, mitral valve. Mitral valve is present in the left side. That means left auricle. That means left atrium and left ventricle. So it is the opening. Uh, the guards. These are the valves present in the left side of the heart. So opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle. So the option 1 is IV. Option is IV, matching with IV. Next one is pulmonary artery. This pulmonary artery, this is the opening between pulmonary artery opening between this pulmonary right article and pulmonary aorta. Okay, so this matches 3. Pulmonary veins, it carries deoxygenated blood because this is a secondary question. I am saying here how pulmonary veins is different from other veins from our body because vein carry oxygenated blood except this pulmonary vein which carries deoxygenated blood. Next is tricuspid valve. What is the main function of its tricuspid valve? It carries oxygenated blood. It is present in the right atrium and right ventricle. It carries the oxygenated blood from the lungs. Okay, so these are the questions. Basically, here I have explained 10 number of questions. I have many questions to solve because you need lot of things to prepare for your NEET. If you like my this video and once more questions which is important for your NEET, you can comment me. Okay. Now and also if you find helpful, this video is helpful to you, so please don't forget to like, share and comment to EduNext Academy. Thank you.